Good morning, my dear students. Let us discuss about 5 marketing concepts. The 5 marketing concepts are described in this manner. In marketing, business will design strategies and satisfy the customer needs and increase the sales and maximize the profits and beat the competition. Coming to the business perspective, it will design number of strategies for satisfying of customer need, wants, demands, and etc. And it will focus on increase the sales and it will maximize the profit, and it will give a tough competition to their competitors. And that is a nice truth and statement. But many might ask, what is philosophy is the best of a company in setting marketing strategies? Well, in this article, we will discuss 5 different of marketing that each have a specific function in a holistic marketing strategy. Coming to marketing management philosophies, we are having 5 different philosophies in marketing management. First one, production. Second one, product. Third one, selling. Fourth one, marketing. Fifth one, social marketing. The production concept. The main theme of a production concept is it always focuses on operations oriented and than any of other marketing concepts on this list. It always speaks about human truth and it will prefer about products are easily available and inexpensive. Here, the main concept of a production concept is manufacturing the products for human sakage, and it always speaks human truth and prefers the products easily available and inexpensive. This concept was founded during the production era, early capitalism in the mid of 1950s. During that era, businesses concerned themselves primarily with production and manufacturing. At the starting of the business arena, it always focused on manufacturing and production concept only. These are very efficient issues in business sector. And coming to this is also the time when the sales law was created, exciting idea of supply and demand. Here, when the supply and demand relation is derived, then total marketing condition is changed. The basic idea of this concept is that business will want to produce widely cheap products in maximum volumes to maximize the profit and scale. And business assumes that consumers are primarily interested into product availability at low prices. Here in market, customers are willing to purchase the products, but they are willing to buy at low prices. Here customer needs might not be fully addressed. Such an approach is probably most effective when a business operates in very high growth markets or where the potential for economies of scale is significant. The problem with this concept is that business run the danger of not creating quality products. Here, when business is not at all focusing the quality of the product, it will lend to dangerous situation. When business is providing quality products, it will bring huge profits and increases the market share and increases the loyal customers, and might have the customer service problems with impersonal production. When there is a quality problem is there in the production unit, then we will get the number of problems from customer side. An example of this is use of the developing countries to output cheaper product in higher qualities. And another historical example is that Ford automobiles that manufacture a ton of cars, though its assembly line, but all came out the same without customization or users input. The product concept. The product concept is not so much about production and business output, but it mainly focusing on customer need, wants, demands, and desires. And potential customers always favor about products that offer good quality, good performance, good innovative features in their products. This marketing concepts believes in potential customers, how their brand loyalty is closely tied to options of products. Here, marketing concept is always believe that potential customers are having their brand loyalty. So customers are very close to their products because our products are very good quality and very good benefits it is providing. And this is seen most commonly with a vision with Apple products and looking forward to their new gadgets features upon. Here, Apple Mobile is a branded item. It is having innovative technology and innovative features and a very good qualities. That's why even though it is very high prices, customers are buying Apple product because of brand loyalty. In the marketing concept, business will concentrate on making superior production and improving them over them. The problem is many business do not balance the need for a product all while realizing what the marketing needs. There is a fine line between focusing on customer, still defining your role and leadership in industry. Here, there is mainly focusing on customer need, want, demand. Here, this concept is giving more preference to the customer. Coming to the selling concept, the selling concept is the bread and butter of marketing efforts, as it believes that people will not buy enough of business product. So, business need is to persuade them to do so. Of course, in today's marketing, we know that selling is not the way of full marketing success, but we more so find this marketing concept popular in the days of WW2, where there was a aggressive advertising to promote the people to buy the bonds and different products. At present days, in marketing, aggressive advertisement is there for promoting their product and brand, service, and company, etc. And coming to the selling concept, it will educate the customer. In the case of bread and butter, customers will come to shop for buying the bread, but they don't know the usage of butter. Then the sellers will say that buy the butter and bread, then it will be useful enough way. So the sellers will always want to educate the customers. So in that view, we can increase the sales. That is about selling concept. The concept puts a lot of power into the hands of business, who has a whole plan to effectively stimulate more buying with these potential customers. And a lot of time we also seen this action used when a business has to deal with our capacity and needing to sell, then they have made rather than what market needs or want. Coming to the business that chose to use this marketing concept must be good at find potential customers and emotionally selling them on the benefits of their not needed product. Here, customers are not needing the product, but sellers are selling the product in emotional pattern. Marketing concept. The main marketing concept is the competition. It is a marketing concept that believes that the success of business depends on marketing efforts and delivers a better value proportion than its competitors. This concept focuses on needs and wants of target market as well as delivering the value better than its competition. Through marketing, it's your goal to be preferred option compared to your competitors. Competitive advantage is very, and we find typically in 1950 eras of companies trying to carve themselves out in the industry. We also can look at modern days competition between Pepsi and Coke, who sell similar items, but their value proportion are completely different. Here, Pepsi is focusing on winning over the young generations and Coke focusing on winning over everyone's in a more holistic approach. The marketing concept has evolved into fifth and more refined company orientation. The social marketing concept. Coming to social marketing concept. Social marketing concept is the most progressive and modern day applicable. It is marketing concept believing giving to society by producing better products and that help world be the better place. This orientation arose some question whether marketing and business are addressing massive problems that like environmental problems, population problems, poverty, and social distribution. A business in today's world will need to ask itself the following question in relation to this marketing concept. Here, McDonald's and other fast food restaurants focusing on social marketing. Here, they are mostly focusing on fast food companies offer tasty, but they are not focusing on unhealthy food. The food typically have high fat content will supplement those meals, fries, pies, and soda. Now, I love McDonald's food. A lot of people enjoy what fast food chains offer, therefore, satisfying consumer want, but at what cost? These companies, although making customer happy, but be hurting the consumer health and causing environmental problems. Nowadays, every business want to focus on society and their needs. It is called better business. This is about social marketing concept. Thank you, my dear students. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.